for the stiletto. And you know the answer that you can't do that. So I'm using again this condensed glue gels. Sorry, it was moving too far away. And you don't need a whole lot. I think I have a lot, so I'm gonna put it, like, take it off. There you go. This little will go a long way. You don't need a whole lot. If you don't want it too thick, you don't want to be too thin. I got some gel on my hand, sorry. So again, we're going to using a no wipe top coat. And I have like a scarlet red, and I have the dragon scale. Hold on, I need to think of the name because we have so many, and every time I remember, and I forgot. And here is our really super cute centerpiece. You can do it closer. It doesn't matter, you can go close as possible. I'm gonna add some bars on this one. This one, hold on. I couldn't see that. You see when I'm doing like this, it's just like upside down. So really easy, just using your tweezer and pick it up and put the new one on. It's kind of this one short nail is easy to create the design. Also, it can be a little bit harder if we doing a designs on it and we don't want to cover this whole and tie the nails. Oh, I'm so excited for this set. I don't know what you're gonna name it. You probably have the ideas on yours. Let me find another. Another one. Another one. I love this cute bar. Great. Super cute. If it's short nail, you can absolutely achieve the short nails too. And you can find more information for the contest. It's gonna be on our, if you go into highlights and is had the sections with the contest, you can click on that one and it will link you to the post, because we'll have like probably quite a lot of posts after that post for it. But we're definitely gonna share it again on the story time, so then you can absolutely see it. Great, so if you're happy with this, we are going to cure this one under the LED light for 60 seconds. Oops, sorry, I hit that one. All right. Great, one more. I'm really enjoying this one. The short nails are so cute. For all of you who are doing short nail clients or long nail clients, you're just using the same concept with the long nails. So tomorrow we'll go back to the long nails, because last night we're doing like long medium. So today's is a short nail for all of you who are doing the short nail clients. I'm going to cure this one under the LED light for 60 seconds.